Antoinette, it really is an extraordinary and explosive report. It says Rollins' actions are among the most egregious transgressions ever investigated by the Office of the Special Counsel. We learned in this report that Rollins was investigated for trying to sabotage Suffolk County District Attorney Kevin Hayden's campaign in August and September of last year by leaking non-public U.S. Department of Justice information to the media. According to the report, Rollins supported Hayden's opponent, Ricardo Arroyo. Rollins leaked information to the media about her office's recusal from an investigation into potential misconduct by Hayden, thus giving away the possibility of an investigation. The report calls the violation, quote, one of the most egregious Hatch Act violations the OSC has investigated. We spoke with Brad Bailey, a former federal prosecutor here in Boston. He said rules barring employees from participating in partisan politics are made very clear.
You do not want to have there to be any suggestion that decisions are being made, whether it's based on investigations, whether it's based on prosecutions, whether it's based on staffing of cases, that politics are coming into it. There were rumblings, certainly, that morale was pretty low over in the U.S. Attorney's Office. Whether that meant that some of this and what was likely to be in that report was out there and had been leaked, I can't speak to that.
Rollins was also found to have violated the Hatch Act when she appeared at a Democratic fundraiser in Andover last summer that was also attended by First Lady Jill Biden. She drove there in a federal vehicle, but when asked about it, said she had been in Andover for another program. The report says, quote, her insistence that she did not attend the fundraiser is wholly contradicted by the evidence. For example, Ms. Rollins was invited to the fundraiser, was offered food and refreshments while inside, and took pictures with other attendees and with the fundraiser's guest of honor, First Lady Dr. Jill Biden. The report was just released about an hour or so ago. We have reached out to Rollins' attorney for comment, but have not heard back at this time. For now, we're live outside the federal courthouse. Jennifer Egan, WCVB News Center.